Hi, my name is Nathan James with Boardroom Socks, and first of all, I want to say thank you very much for your business and welcome to the boardroom. So today we're going to see how your dress socks were made, and it all starts with the yarn. So at Boardroom Socks, we use only the finest yarns from around the world. This is our soft, breathable merino wool. We have it in plenty of different colors, and we also have our silky smooth, extra long staple cotton, also available in several different colors. And once you've selected your yarn, the next step is to tie the yarn onto the knitting machine. So let's go check that out. All right, so we've got our yarn. Here's where we tie it onto the knitting machine, and the knitting machine is going to turn the yarn into this sock. You'll notice that it's basically an open cylinder, so the next step is to apply the toe seam. So let's go do that. And so here in seaming is where we close the sock and complete it. And you'll see this is a complete sock. The next step is we're going to head to the finishing plant and get these washed, packaged, and then ultimately shipped to you. So let's go check that out. At the finishing plant, the first step is to wash and dry the socks. So this is going to thoroughly clean them and remove any imperfections from the yarns, and most importantly, give them a really soft, comfortable finish texture. Next, we'll head upstairs, and this is where we run the socks through the boarding process. And you can think of this as almost ironing the socks into shape. So it eliminates any wrinkles and gets the socks ready to go into the packaging. So once they're packaged up, it's time to head over to the warehouse. At the warehouse, this is where we'll individually pick, pack, and ship your brand new Boardroom socks directly to your doorstep. We hope you've enjoyed coming behind the scenes to see how your socks were made.
And we appreciate your business.
Thank you for your business.
Thank you very much for your business, and welcome to the boardroom.